In this video, I'm going to show you how to spawn a flying building in GTA 5. So as you can see here, this is the mod. So I'm going to jump out. So I'm flying through the building here, and the building is falling here. It's just sinking into the ground. So I'm going to show you how to download this mod. So first you need to open a Google Chrome. Let me open one here. Then you need to type in menu mod, then go here, download this, then type script hook v and download this. And now you can go and open your downloads folder and open GTA 5 folder. Now you need to go inside script hook v and bin and copy these 3 folders and paste them here. Now go inside menu and copy this one and this one and paste it here. So after this, before you launch the game, make sure you go and enable launch options and you write -nabetlai. Now to activate the mode, press F8 and then you're gonna go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and here you will find FIB building. Press on it, and as you can see I spawned the building, so press F8 again to remove the menu, and here is the flying building. So as you can see, it's just pulling out of the ground here. So this acts like a helicopter, so you can basically just move and fly with it. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like as an entire building. You can see the huge shadow here. So you're basically flying a building here. And I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. This is what it looks like from basically outside the building. This is what you were basically flying, and it's like a giant building helicopter, and here it is falling down. So it's huge, so it's gonna make like a huge explosion here. There's some lag here, so yeah, there you go. See, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.